Found hard at work everywhere, trusted worldwide. Eichenberger Screws from Switzerland. A company with almost 60 years experience in the production of precision ball and lead screw assemblies. Thread rolling is one of the core competences of Eichenberger Gewinde. All threaded shafts are produced using this method, even bigger calibers. A thread is formed by applying a radial dynamic force to the shaft between the two rotating thread rolling tools. Facilities and machinery are continuously expanding. 12 thread rolling machines are hard at work. 3 of them CNC controlled, with an automated loading and unloading system. Smaller threads are being processed by this automatic thread rolling machine. Because of their on-site induction hardening equipment, client needs are met in a more timely and precise fashion. CNC machinery used for milling, turning, and drilling is found throughout the facility and ensures precise production. The nuts are mass-produced by robots. Laser marking ensures the correct labeling of the nuts before further processing. Small quantities are filled by hand. Bigger lead screw assemblies have a load capacity of up to 5 tons. These itty-bitty ones are used in the medical and optical industry. Client-specific series for special applications are developed, produced, and provided for each customer's need. The nuts are being filled with balls. 60 million balls are kept in stock. After testing functionality with an oscilloscope, grease is forced into the unit to ensure a long life. Quality control ensures conformity to specifications. This spindle is not within tolerance. It has to be straightened to exact measurements. Now it's in the green zone. Manual skill is needed here in the inspection of long threaded shafts. Microscopes show even the slightest irregularities. Eichenberger Gewinde prides itself on manually checking each assembly for functionality after mounting. Depending on customers' requests, further inspections may include spot checking or full quality control checks from beginning to end. In this example, torque, concentricity, and backlash are measured and documented according to specifications. Over a distance of 900 millimeters, the lead of this screw deviates by only 20 microns. In this, the world's largest telescope, 2,000 ball screw assemblies ensure precise positioning of the mirrors. Ball screw assemblies are reliable and durable and operate with minimal friction regardless of the load. Ongoing research and development, the latest technology, highly qualified professionals, and almost 60 years of experience ensure the highest quality standards. This is why the company has become one of the preferred partners of many well-known corporate clients worldwide. Eichenberger Gewinde. Swiss quality with a smile.
अब आगे तो ऑन होगा ये। डालना पड़ेगा दवा मत